Hi, I'm Kara Richardson, here to talk about anti-aging in our 40s. Injectables starting out in 30s, a little bit of Botox, maybe a slight bit of filler. As we get into our 40s, we start to notice more laxity. So Miss Brittany here, who is about to be 46, is noticing some of that laxity. And so we're gonna treat and address some of those problems. So first place that we're gonna work on is, of course, in that cheek area, where we all see some volume loss as we're aging. The other place that we're going to address in her is along her jawline. As we age, that bone loss that happens around our jaw really starts to create shadows and loss of that nice crisp neckline that we all love so much. So we're going to bring that back for her. We've also treated her with some Botox, so I'm gonna have her make some expression for you. So we treated her frown lines, we also treated her forehead, and we definitely treated these little crow's feet. The last thing that we're gonna address with her volume loss is gonna be her lips. So Miss Brittany's starting to lose a lot of that upper lip where it wants to really tuck in. And so we're gonna try to open it back up, but again, not creating something that's abnormal for her face shape and size. We've got one side done, we're gonna finish up on the other side. The other thing I want you to know, what Brittany's gonna go home with today is a great skincare regimen to help these results. So those things include growth factors for helping that collagen, retinol to help that cell turnover, brightening agents like your antioxidants, and of course, most important, sunscreen.